name is Qtree. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. To build my career in cloud and DevOps, I joined Qtree Technologies, where I received hands-on training in DevOps tools, AWS Cloud. Today I am presenting my project titled End-to-End Automated Deployment of a Game Store website using Terraform, Docker, AWS and GitLab CI/CD. The main objective of the project is to automate the deployment process whenever a developer pushes code to GitLab repository. I started by provisioning the AWS infrastructure using Terraform, which I used to create VPC, public subnet, net security group, and EC2 instance to host the application. Next, I developed a game store website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where the website shows the popular displays popular games, their prices and images in a simple and responsive interface. After developing the application, I containerized the application using Docker. I created a Docker image and ran the application inside a Docker container using Nginx as a web server. This ensures application run consistently across different environment. For version control, I used Git and GitLab, then configured a GitLab CI/CD pipeline. Whenever I make changes, a developer make changes to the website and pushes code to the GitLab, the pipeline starts automatically. It securely connects to EC2 instance and restarts the container and deploys the updated application. Through this project, I gained practical experience in AWS infrastructure provisioning, infrastructure as code, containerization, and CI/CD automation. Thank you for your time. I hope this presentation gives you a clear understanding of my project and then DevOps practices I have implemented.